Hello everybody! Thank you for tuning in for today's TryOptics online event. My name is Patrick Lange-Hahnberg and today we will talk about the non-contact lens center thickness measurement for the improvement of yield. The measurement technique we use here is an interferometric technique which measures or which detects light reflection from top and bottom surface of this glass element, and from this it derives the optical path length of this element that we have here. Oh, that's a good question. If a lens which is not yet fully polished, if this one can be measured, so if it's just fine grinded, yes, in general it is possible, but this really depends on the quality of the grinding and the stage of the grinding. But in general it is possible, but the surface roughness also affects the measurement precision you can reach, because as it's not a defined surface or not a mathematically defined surface, it also has a certain an additional uncertainty here. I would like to thank you once more. Thank you for tuning in and joining us, and see you next time.